This clip will explain the Elliot Knob hike that the Virginia backpacking group will be going on in early May. This is a picture of Elliot Knob circled in the red. You can actually see Elliot Knob peak from Afton Mountain, 20-some miles further to the east. This is a topo map showing the hike and the peak. 2,400 feet of elevation gain. The most significant is the last mile, and I'll talk about that in greater detail shortly. This is the trail map overview, and it shows the trailhead beginning off of Route 42, and you follow a forest road for about 2 miles, and then you end up to switch over to a more conventional trail, and there are 2 stream crossings marked in red, finally ending in an abrupt left turn. We're going to have to be careful on this connection to make the turn left. And then it leads over about 8/10 of a mile to the Forest Service Road, and that's the most significant part of the hike. It's about a little over a mile along this excess road. It's very, very steep. Some of the most difficult hiking that our group has ever taken. And here's another picture of that same hike, but this is a satellite view showing the lay of the land, the 2 stream crossings, the trail junction we have to be careful about, and then finally leading us over to the excess road junction. And that carries us up to the top of the summit. This picture shows the actual excess road in a little more detail. It is deceiving on a photograph. It feels like that. It's 10 to 20% grade, pretty much non-stop, the full length of the hike, the last mile. Some of the most difficult hiking that I personally have done. I think the Virginia backpacking group has probably not had anything more difficult than this either. And as we get closer to the top, this shows the summit itself and some other features that are part of the top of Elliot Mountain. The first is a little spring. This will be where we get our water. This is a spring-fed pond. It's got trout in it. I think we'll need to filter, but we'll have plenty of water access up on top. Then we're going to be camping. I'm going to recommend we use this spruce grove. It's got good place for tents as well as tents, and it's a little more protected from the summit. Finally, there are 2 radio tower transmission towers up at the top, and we'll be mindful of them. Now this basically shows you some pictures of the hike up from the trailhead through the Falls Hollow trail. Some of the falls are pretty neat. These pictures were taken in April 24th. Now this is again a picture of the excess road. I do not want to understate how difficult this part of the hike is going to be for us. But then it may be worth it. I believe so. This is a look west into West Virginia from the peak, and then this is a look east across the Shenandoah Valley. Now let's hope that we have this kind of weather when we go. I think if we do, we'll have some excellent views.